So I got a little package in the mail. IL Makiage, New York. And basically I paid $5.32 for shipping and got this foundation for free. So we about to open it up. Now what they do is they ask you a bunch of questions and they try to get the skin type and your obviously complexion to match your tone without you going to a store. So mine is woke up like this. And as you can see, I'm taking it out the box and I'm just showing you how it looks. I love the packaging. It's very nice. And hopefully it gives me that flawless finish that I'm looking for. So it has a pump, and this is me. And that's me comparing it to my face. And they gave me a free gift of some long wear lip cream in matte geisha. And I'm going to take it out the box. I like this as well. It's supposed to be long wear. This nice red. And as I'm trying to take it out, it is a nice bright red. Very nice. So we gonna see. And they give you some instructions of how to apply it. All right, and this is me with my wig cap. And here we go. Yes. The consistency, it feels like it's nothing on your face. So I like it. Thanks for watching.